Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You want to solve this system's equation using Cramer's rule. So you want x and y will be quotient of two determinants. The bottom determinant, you just copy down the coefficients here. The coefficients of x are 1 and negative 2. Coefficients of y are 1 and 1. So that gives you the bottom determinant for both x and y. And then when you're solving for x, the first column, you put the constants, negative 4, negative 1. The other column matches the denominator. So that's how you come up with the determinants. Now you need to evaluate them. So how do you evaluate this bottom determinant? It's this product minus the other product, diagonal. So this product would be 1. The other product of this diagonal will be negative 2, and we subtract. So it'll come out to 1 plus 2 or 3. This one has the same value in the denominator. Now we do the same thing in the numerator. Product of this diagonal will be negative 4 minus product of this diagonal will be negative 1. Be real careful with your signs here. That'd be negative 4 plus 1. That's a negative 3 over positive 3, which is negative 1. So then I can go to find y, the value of the bottom determinant, same as the bottom determinant for x, it's 3. In the second column, in the y column, I'll put the constants. The other column should match the bottom determinant. Then we evaluate, we multiply this diagonal, that's negative 1, minus the product here would be a positive 8. It's negative 9 over 3, which is negative 3. So I get an answer, negative 1, negative 3. And I went ahead and checked it. If you substitute it in each equation, the arithmetic works. And so I hope that helps.